National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, southern Lake County in northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Kenosha to Fox Lake to Hubbard, and moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Prairie Grove and Marengo around 4:50 p.m. Wyatt and Oakwood Hills around 4:55 p.m. Tower Lakes and North Chicago around 5 o'clock p.m. Vernon Hills and Lake Zurich around 5:05 p.m. Long Grove and Lincolnshire around 5:10 p.m. West Dundee and Sleepy Hollow around 5:15 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Round Lake Park, Union, Crystal Lake, Lake Barrington, Fox River Valley Gardens, Cary, North Barrington, Middellah, Lake Bluffs and Indian Creek. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special